guys. I'm a bit bored today, so I'm going to Aburi. Damn, I still look so sleepy. But yeah, let's go. If we're new to check out and finish. All right, thank you. So I'm not very sure how long it took me to drive up here, but I mean today was surprisingly was one of the days that there was very little traffic. Well, because I was going against it anyway, so yeah, that was fine. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick tour. I don't have a tour guide, and I'm not gonna try and then do one. I'm just gonna shoot or try and then capture whatever it is I see. So if some of you have been here before and have some favorite spots and those weren't captured, don't blame me. I only have this much time. Yeah, not that I'm doing anything special, but this cypress tree you see here with the carving symbolizes the human life journey. From the ground up, the stem tells the story of how an individual starts his or her life journey from infancy till the time of death. The branches on the tree tells how people or individuals are allowed to redirect their lives based on the decisions they make. And according to not so recent history, the process of carving this tree started around the year 2013 and is yet to take the form of the summer hat it is intended to be. I have no idea what this tree is called. All I know is that when I eventually have like my property somewhere in the world, I would love to have it. Oh, look at that! There's a squirrel. Oh, I didn't get this thing early. Shit. Guys, can you see the squirrels out there? I'm actually very excited that I saw not one, two. I saw two squirrels. And I didn't really think I was going to be. I'm not too sure if I've seen squirrels in Ghana before, but at least I did in Aburi. And I just wish that they didn't have to run so fast. The reason I'll say I love coming to the Aburi Gardens is the greenery, the variety of trees you find here, and just the grass and the atmosphere itself makes you just want to stay and not even want to come back to Accra. I mean, coming up the mountains is always a pleasure for me. Also, the beautiful bird sounds that you hear can make things so relaxing. I feel there should be a lot more recreational centers within the gardening to bring life to it. It might seem a bit boring. If you haven't been to the Aburi Gardens, you should try, or you should give it a try. I mean, just for a change. I wish there were a lot more of such places in Accra or in Ghana for that matter, because what we lack is parks where people could just go sit and relax. But that said, it's a great place to be. And now that I come to the end of my tour, or my drive through if I can say so, I'd say it was fun being here. But now I'm off to my next location, which is the Asenema Waterfalls, also in the eastern region. Join me on my journey.